I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
Here we have a 69 plate Golf GTI, which is a 2 litre TSI DSG, finished in an Indium Grey metallic paint. This performance model has had one previous owner from new and covering 33,847 miles. Some key features include rear tinted glass as an optional extra. We also have the optional 19-inch Brescia alloys featuring the red brake calipers, as well as a fantastic panoramic sunroof. This car offers a generous boot space considering the size of the vehicle, with enough room to store weekly shopping trips. The floor is variable so the height can be adjusted and rear seats can be folded. We have the optional Vienna leather upholstery with the red piping and contrast stitching, with ISOFIX points fitted into the outer rear seats. And in the front we have a multifunctional steering wheel. This is followed by the heated front sports seats with lumbar support. As another optional extra, we also have the centre armrest for additional comfort. This steering wheel will allow you to access the car's media system, including the adaptive cruise control, which is a perfect addition for them long stretches on the motorway. Then directly ahead we have a customisable active information display. This showcases important driver information and settings. This then works alongside the infotainment system in the centre, allowing you more in-depth access to some of the car's features. Some of these include DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as app connection to seamlessly display phone apps through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. We have satellite navigation, as well as the support from front and rear parking sensors that will ensure parking is as easy as possible. We have the driver mode selection, allowing you to choose your car's performance. Then just below we can find the climate control, which allows yourself and front passenger to be in charge of your own temperature settings. Then we also have the 3-point front heated seating options either side. Just below we have some additional storage space, keyless start, automatic transmission, followed by an electronic park brake with auto hold.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.